Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok account warning. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok account warning, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, we click on TikTok and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that, you click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.